Hey guys, it's been a while, a really important update for you. So, you might have noticed I'm not very active on this channel right now. You should know that I have started a new channel. It's primarily dedicated to artificial intelligence, so stuff like ChatGPT, Midjourney, all of that. Right now, it's still mostly artificial intelligence news, but I will start doing more money tutorials, how to make money online with artificial intelligence, with blogging, with SEO, with all of that, and a lot of other interesting and cool tools for making money online. I expect you guys to see you there. So, this channel right now that you're watching is probably not gonna be so active in the future. Maybe I will do the occasional video and tutorial every now and then, but my main activity is shifted to the channel, for which there's a link in the description. Click the link, subscribe. I'm doing some great stuff over there. We're gonna make a great community there. We're posting a lot of videos. I'm posting every single day. I hope to see you there, guys. And even more importantly, it's like the new modern approach to digital marketing. We're gonna cover everything. So if you're still interested in that, if you're watching this video, go over to the new channel. I will see you there.